Hi, hello, welcome to my watercolor painting channel. Today we are going to paint a beautiful lavender field. The sketch required for painting this scenery is here. You can pause the video and sketch it. I start by wetting the top portion of the paper. I mixed little amount of violet with cobalt blue to paint the sky. I'm making clouds using negative painting technique. Around the clouds, I have given a darker shade for the sky, and towards the right side, I spread the color so that there is a soft transition from blue to white. This is to emphasize that towards the right side there is a thin layer of clouds, so there is a soft transition of color from blue to white. The paper is still wet. Now I'm painting the distant trees. For that I used sap green mixed with little brown color. Now our paper is starting to dry, and if you notice, some of the portions of the paper is dry and some of the portion is still wet. So I'm using the situation to paint the trees. You can paint the trees even after the paper is completely dry. Next I'm using diluted sap green and brown mix to paint the distant land. Next, I wet the lower part of the paper. I have already prepared a mixture of cobalt blue with lot of crimson lake to create the lavender field. Note the direction of the strokes for the lavender field and apply colors in the same method. While painting the lavender field, you should note that the paper should not be with more water content. That is, when you apply the pigment on the paper, the pigment should spread slightly in the nearby places, but it should not spread in all the direction. So you can notice in the painting that the pigment moves slightly away from the applied area, but it does not spread in all the directions. This is the condition we have to maintain while painting the lavender field. The paper has started to dry, but still I'm applying another layer of cobalt blue and crimson lake mixture so that the color would be even more vibrant. But note that the paper is not dry, completely dry. It is still wet, but it is ready to get dry. Now using Naples yellow, I'm painting the house. I'm using brown to paint the rooftop of the house. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more watercolor painting. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.